Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn fsolve, a function which is available in MATLAB and which is used to find out roots of nonlinear functions. We are going to see the syntax first. The syntax shows here that x is a variable where we are assigning the function fsolve with giving two parameters fun and x0. We are giving two parameters fun and x0, okay, and then this function fsolve will take these two parameters, solve it and give the value to x. Now description of the function is it's a nonlinear system solver. First we have to see that we have to have the function in the format f of x equals to 0. It should be in the specified format before solving. So for this, for x, f of x equals to 0 for x, where f of x is a function that returns a vector value. X is a vector or a matrix. Now, to understand better about the function, we can see here, it starts at x0 and tries to solve the equations fun x equals to 0 on arrays of zeros. Okay, we'll see an example of this and then we'll come to know it better. Now, example for solution of 2D nonlinear system. This example shows how to solve two nonlinear equations in two variables. Okay, now we are having the equations here. We are seeing these two equations, e raised to minus e minus x plus 1 x1 plus x2 bracket complete equals to x2 1 plus x1 square, and second equation is x1 cos x2 plus x2 sin x1 equals to half. Now according to the parameter we have studied earlier, that we have to convert these functions into the format f of x equals to 0. So by converting the functions or the equations in the format f of x equals to 0, the equation comes this way. Now we have to write a function. Now we have to solve this in MATLAB. So we are doing writing a function which is named as root 2D, that is 2D root we are going to find, that is 2-dimensional. Okay, so we are writing a function named root 2D. Okay, and we are writing it as function f equals to root 2D in the bracket x. Now we are defining the two functions in the format f of x equals to 0. Okay, fine. Now exponential, whatever the functions we are seeing there, we are writing that way below, and then function f2 x1 cos into cos x2 plus x2 into sin x1 minus 0.5, that is half is equals to 0.5. Okay, so we write this functions and save this code in the MATLAB file or MATLAB directory where we are doing the programming, the current directory, in the name of root2d.m. You can give any name formats in this, but keep in mind when calling this function you have to name or provide the same name, and to solve the system equation starting at point 0, 0. Okay, so we are moving forward with the example. Now this is the result, or this is the way we have to. First, function equals to at the root 2D. Now I have given a function which is named as at the rate 2D. Now I am defining x0 because the function fsolve requires two parameters, that is fun and x0. The function is defined in the format of the two equations, equation f1 and equation f2, and that is nothing but now our function. Now that function is given x0 equals to in square brackets 0, 0 starting point. Then when we solve this, we get the values, that is the equation solved, we get the complete, after completing the equation or solving the equation by the MATLAB, we get x equals to 0.3532 and 0.6061. This is the how we solve the equation using MATLAB. we have to take into mind always that we have to provide two parameters, that is fun and x0, to the function fsolve. It is used to solve the equation, and we have to provide the equation in always f of x equals to 0 format. Okay, here are the reference that I am using for this lecture. You can go forward and read further also. Thank you.